boy SRT tracking, man. You feel me? We out here in the rain, man. Yeah, we in the Demon. But we got a skit to do, man. We got a skit to do today, man. We're going to Atlanta. Do a skit real quick. Skit probably take like 45 minutes. I might just kick back in the A, man. Might just kick back in the A, man. See what the fuck going on while I'm up there. I don't get out too often for real. But about some money, man, I'm out here. You feel me? Hey, one thing I like about this kind of challenger, man, I don't gotta run E85. Like 300, man. E85. Bro, what's going on, man? You doing alright?
So raw, dog.
Crazy. Up here at A&M, man. You feel me? Good security. You feel me? Good security up here, man. But look, though. Whatever you trying to do, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, we with it.
I'm trying to scare all 2025.
Man, come on, we with it. Hey, if y'all niggas watching and y'all not subscribed yet, what the hell y'all doing? Who else y'all know out here with the Demon, bro? I'm telling my brother, look at this motherfucker, dog.
Shut that motherfucker out, man. Okay. Hey, you know I'm gonna let you get in that motherfucker, dude. Hey, you go.
Hey, dog, you shitted, man.
Went crazy on that, bro. Okay. Shit, well, look, man, we finna get this skit in, man. You feel me? Y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna be dropping real soon, man. Okay. I hear one boy KC, man. Okay. Pull up on him, man. You pull it up on him.
Hey, man, we out here, bro. We working all year. Y'all get on this nigga ass. Make sure he posting every week. Okay.
We on movie time, man. Got my boy KC up with that, man. That rap just nasty on there, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Whole different breed right there. We outside, man. No count. We in Atlanta. Hot Atlanta. It ain't even hot out here. It's cold. Got the mink on. You feel like ain't no mink. Good North Face though. No count. Yesterday was wild, man. I had a wild night last night, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shot the footage, man. Skit went crazy. Today we supposed to be doing something with Mr. Goddamn it. I done lost my shirt, man. Didn't prepare for 2 days, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta go to the mall. Jump fly right quick, you feel me? Something slight, man, you know what I'm saying? Little purple jeans, man, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, it's a slight day, you feel me? About to go link up with your boy, Mr. Goddamn it, man, you know what I'm saying? Shoot this footage. Watching this, man, you feel me? Wanna link in, tap in, get some content in with me. We gonna go our way up to tap in. Like, subscribe, comment below before the show. It's your boy, SRT Tracking. Man, we with Mr. Goddamn it, man. We ain't trapping, man. You see him, man? Show him the boy behind us, man. You feel me? Got the trap. That way, man. About to shoot some footage, man. We in our own little lane today, man. You feel me? You know it's really dolo motion around here, though, man. A whole lot of dolo motion, man. Hot Atlanta, man. We in the A, man, with it, man. You heard me? Got the cars out here, man. Now we coming, man. You feel me? Boy, SRT Tracking, man. Look, I'm new to the vlog, man. You feel me? So look, pay attention, man. heat them bitches up, man.
That's how you
know what the fuck going on, man. Hey,
scared and shit.
my partner, man, know what he doing, yeah.
Rector.
What up?
Yeah, man. Look, man, so we finna let Lynn slide this motherfucking Demon, man. Talk to him right quick, man. Tell him what the damage, man, you finna do, man.
You just got this?
Yeah. Don't blow this bitch up, though.
Okay.
We got too much power.
Back up, gang, back up.
Oh, my God.
Back up, gang, back up. Yo. Back up. Hey, back up, bro.
Sound like a C10, bro.
Yeah, so dope.
Hey, man, today been a crazy day, man. We done went crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. Just left the pit, man, and dogged her, though, man. I feel bad for her, but fuck it, you feel me? We done got her washed up again, man, so I ain't tripping. Out in the Demon, man. Up here in Atlanta, man, and you know the city live, man. It's live up here. I'm counting. Everybody out today. Yeah, you know we in traffic, man. Not too much, man. Not too much, not too less, man. You feel me? They got them wild bodies outside. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah. Demon on the hood. What else we doing, man? Y'all let me know what we gonna do. Y'all let me know what we gonna do, man. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, most definitely do. Yeah, we filling it up, man. Good 93. I ain't never seen E85 on a Demon, though. But actually, I think I have. On one man page, though. Ain't that motherfucker was like that, you feel? But yeah, man, you know, just a dolo person, man. Stay in my lane, I don't hate. You know what I'm saying? I want to bring everybody, you feel me, around me with me. We gonna keep going, man. But yeah, y'all stay posted, man. You feel me? Stay in tune. Like, subscribe, comment below for the show, man. SRT Tracking, man. YouTube and IG.